And what's happening YouTube, it's your boy Tech Tricks back in another video, and today we're going to show you another security camera for your home. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit the notification bell so you can be notified of next videos to come of tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. Check out my merch below at 1130.ca. Make sure to hit the like button so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. So let's go ahead and show you the Annke security camera. Let's unbox this today and show you how it works. Here, there's some literature, quick start guide right here, and little CD. I don't know anything about that, but we'll see about that. There's the drill template, and inside here, you don't need that. Inside here, there's some screws that you can use for mounting. And then over here is the actual security camera. There we go. Let's take this out of the bag. Right there. There you go. Let's put this on the side for now. Silica gel. Mounting things there. And that's it. Well, now we're looking at the Annke turret networking camera here. Basically, it's a security camera that you install in your home, and you connect through the power right here, and then the LAN cable right there. It's a bit of a setup, but it's okay. We're gonna go through that today, and you can go and check this out as well in the link down below. So if you want to get one yourself, there's a link there, and go ahead and click that. So to open it up, one of the features as well for the Annke is you'll be able to put a micro SD card in there. So to do that, you need to twist this and take this ring off right here. It's actually hard to take off. I was just able to loosen it up so it's easier for us. So here, there's a screw right there we can take out. Now once you've taken that out, you'll be able to have access to the micro SD right here. And there you go. So as you could see, this is the reset button right there, and the micro SD up there. So now to power this up, all you need to do is use a plug this in right here, just like that. This goes into your power, and then to connect it to the network, all you need to do is connect this to your router, just like that. Next step is put in the CD to your computer so that we can install SADP file. Once everything is good to go, go ahead and select the turret camera that you have installed to your network. And then what we need to do is we're gonna make a new password. This is pretty much the initial setup for all IP address type of security cam. So you need to go through this before you can do anything with it. Now the next step is to make a security questions and answers for your security cam. Once you finish all that, you'll be able to modify the information for your turret camera, and then you could change it to whatever you want after this by hitting modify. Once you're happy, you're all good to go. Now go ahead and click the IP address of the security cam. Go ahead and double click it, and your web browser will open up the interface. And here we go. We have our camera live in action right now. Now this is a 4K camera, so be in mind that it does take a bit of data. It takes up a lot of data on your computer, so just keep that in mind. Here you can screen capture, you can record as well. As you can see, we're doing that right now. And we're going to show you how to flip this camera as well to the right side up. We're not going to watch this upside down the whole time, right? So just follow along on the video. So the best part about this camera, I think, is there's a lot of options that you can put in here. You can change the quality of the camera. You can even change the orientation, and you can have it 4:3, 16:9, or whatever format that you want. Here, as you can see, all the settings and the stuff that you can do with it. You can fiddle around with this all you want. There's a lot of options to go through, and I'm just going through it so that you guys can see just the gist of it. If you want to experience it yourself, you're gonna have to use this for yourself and fiddle around with it. I would not recommend this for people who are not very good with technology, because it's not a very good, easy setup. It's not pretty straightforward. There are a lot of things that you need to go through before you could do this. I recommend getting someone else to install it for you and get it ready to go. And then all you need to do is uh, fiddle around with the good stuff and the easy stuff later on. But I would recommend this for a lot of commercial buildings out there who are looking for security cam, because this is really good for changing your settings and communicating with other IP address type of cameras. I would recommend this for a lot of commercial real estate um, type of businesses, and also for those people who are tech savvy who loves to fiddle around with settings like this. You'll be able to do that freely, no limitations. As you could see here, I could do whatever I want on the camera as well. It's amazing for that. Here, as you could see, you could change the brightness. You can even change the saturation as if you're changing it like, professional camera, right? Brightness, contrast. You can even change the exposure right there, day night modes. You can have it automatically. It'll go through night mode during the night. And yeah, it'll be able to detect all that. And you can change the white balance, even you can change the video adjustment. There's a lot of settings here, like I said, and it's like the most open style of security cams out there, compared to the last security cams that I've tested here before. There's not a whole lot of settings compared to this one. This one has the full amount of settings that you can use, and you can do whatever you want with it and use it for your own benefit. Now, the other feature that the Anki turret has is motion detection. Now, the great thing about the motion detection on this is it's fully customizable as well. You can create spots on the camera, different spots, multiple spots even, and detect so that people that passes a certain area, you'll be able to get notification from. The notifications is useful with an app, so you would do the exact same thing. You can even use your Safari or your browser on your phone to see what's going on and to get notifications. So, for example, you can download the Anki app and use the exact same settings and get notifications from there. So here, as you can see, we're gonna put some highlighted areas, and we're even gonna draw lines so that when people cross certain lines on the map that we've set up, it'll be able to give us a notification as well. So I like that with Enki, and I like how customizable you can do it as well. Later on, we're gonna show you the quality of the 4K. Right now, we're just using the normal style of the camera, and later on, we're gonna show you the 4K style, and it's just amazing, right? Now that you can have a 4K camera for your security cams. As you can see, this is the feed that we got from the Anki turret camera. And it's just amazing, like I said, how you have 4K camera. It's quite crisp as well when I was looking at it. It may not reflect the full amount actually on our videos right here, but it is pretty good style, and it's a great quality that you get out of these cameras. And that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. I just pretty much summarize how to set up this camera because it's a very long video. But if you want to experience this yourself, I'll link this down below and go ahead and check it out yourself. Make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Hit the notification bell as well for the next videos to come. Make sure to hit that like button so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. I hope you guys have a good day and stay safe out there. Peace.